It's time to welcome my co-commentator Sabah Karim, who's been really busy this evening.
Thanks Amol, and good evening to all the viewers who have tuned in to watch this Celebrity Cricket League 2012, the final one, the big one. Chennai Rhinos up against the Bulldozers. Chennai Rhinos, they won the toss and have decided to bat first. Big appeal, it came in sharply. The impact maybe just outside off stump. That's what the umpire is referring to.
Sabah, that was close. Came in sharply. Slightly outside off stump, but that was close. That was gone for all money. Why didn't they go upstairs? Well, they have reviewed now. Sudeep, the captain, has reviewed the decision. He would be in a great position because he was right behind the stumps. The original decision is not out. So the first thing first, no ball is not an issue. He's way behind the popping crease. We need to move ahead. Impact in line. Well, what is your call, Sabah? Mine is out.
Hit him on the shin, and when it hit the front pad, the off stump was visible, which gives the impression that the impact was within the stumps. So I'll go with your decision here, Amol. Came in very sharply, tailed in so late. Where did it hit him? On the shin. There you can see the off stump. I don't think the angle would have taken it down the leg side. That's out, in my opinion.
It's not even too forward. The original decision, mind you, is not out. Given by the on-field umpire. And it's changed it. That's out. Two games in a row, we see wicket on the first ball of the match. Saw it happening yesterday when the Mumbai Heroes were fielding. And it's time for Karnataka Bulldozers. They struck the first blow. The very first delivery of the match. Well, Jiiva has to go without troubling the scorers. It's none for one.